This brand is made in Mexico and the units are only sold through dealers in the USA. The Performance 15 series units use louvered panel construction, which is superior for condenser coil protection from hail and other debris, but the Comfort 14 models do not. They have a durable baked-on paint with a polyester top coat to keep the units looking good for years to come, but they use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R-32. The units featured variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation and durable stainless steel heat exchangers. They are backed by a good guarantee, but it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor or heat exchanger failure. The Comfort 1448VL models combine a basic 13.4 SEER2 air conditioner with a basic single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace, while the 48VT models combine a basic heat pump with the gas furnace. The Performance 15 Series 48VG models feature a 16 SEER 2-stage air conditioner paired with a 2-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace, while the 48VR models have a premium 2-stage heat pump combined with a 2-stage gas furnace. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.